This is a Roland jc120, and the problem is that it makes some noise. It's crackling like this, but the guitar still is sounding. Boost channels. The crackling gets more when I turn on the codes a little bit. Let's go there to the speaker. It's on the right side only. This is the left. Right. Left. Right. Okay. Chorus turned off. Okay, what can this be? Is this something of capacitor or some transistor, or what is this noise? I don't know what failure this could be. Direction would be cool. Where to look? I changed already the transistors with orginal ones, and I dumped all the parts if there are some changes or something. Nope. I changed the electrolytic capacitors. Nope. I changed some FETs I had. Nope. Yeah. I looked at the cables, but I don't think they're loose or something. So I'm on the end of my knowledge. I even changed some diodes, germanium diodes, but this doesn't solve anything. Okay.